I was sitting at that dinner reading this study for the first time. Oh my God, the world needs to see this study. Not a single vaccine on the childhood schedule has ever been through a double-blind, placebo-based trial.
Are all vaccine trials placebo-controlled?
No.
Example like Prevnar 13. Prevnar 13 in its safety trial was tested against Prevnar 7, the earlier version of the vaccine. Prevnar 7 was never tested against a saline placebo, but we found in our lawsuits against the government. Not a single childhood vaccine is going through a double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled trial. That's the gold standard of safety testing for all pharmaceutical products, but is being skipped for vaccines.
This is about vaccines. I guess most of you think that we know what our vaccines are doing. We don't.
Dr. Plotkin, this is the product, the manufacturer insert for Recombivax HB, correct?
Yes.
How long does it say that safety was monitored after each dose?
5 days.
Is 5 days long enough to detect any neurological disorder?
No.
There is no control group, correct?
It does not mention any control group, no.
With the best of intentions, the use of DTP vaccine may kill more children than it saves.
It was just a study of one vaccine in a group of children. What if you studied children that were receiving not one vaccine, but between 72 and 100 vaccines by the time they're 18? You can do a retrospective study looking at people that have already made their choice, whether they're going to vaccinate or not. And then you just compare those groups, the ones that got the vaccines and the ones that decided not to vaccinate.
The head of infectious disease at Henry Ford Health System,
It's one of the greatest research centers in the world.
Marcus Servos.
He agreed to do a vaccinated versus unvaccinated study.
The vaccinated kids should be healthy across the board.
We only had one request.
Whatever the outcome, you publish it.
Impact of childhood vaccination on short and long-term chronic health outcomes in children, a birth cohort study.
Say the results.
Yeah, what were the results?
We looked at this every other way and sideways.
Publishing something like that, I might as well retire. I'd be finished.
What's so damning in this study that you're afraid to publish it? What was he so afraid of?
When comparing the health outcomes of the vaccinated versus the unvaccinated, they found an increased risk in the vaccinated.
We found that exposure to vaccination was independently associated with an overall 2.5-fold increase in the likelihood of developing a chronic health condition when compared to children unexposed to vaccination.
They're not going to publish it.